morning, guys, and happy Saturday. So today what I'm going to make, because I need some fiber so I can also get really full as well. So I've already picked these and cleaned these. These is brown pinto beans, okay? These is smoked turkey tails. So in my water, I have beef chicken broth, I have onions, I have fresh garlic, I have all complete. Now I'm about to add the beans and the smoked turkey tails, and we need to let this cook. Alexa, set a timer for 4 hours.
Good morning, Anne. 4 hours, starting now.
So we're going to let that cook for 4 hours. So I'm going to have some fiber today in my diet. My mother, oh gosh, she was such a great cook. So the pinto beans and the baked chicken and all that type of stuff. So that's what I'm going to have today. I'm going to have some pinto beans and baked chicken, and I'm going to have some cornbread because my throat is getting better and 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 better. So yes, so these pinto beans will be my source of fiber, and it also will have me to have that full filling. So yeah, that's the recipe. So I got fresh onions in there too. Fresh onions, fresh garlic, if I didn't say that already. So we're gonna let that cook, and I love the pinto beans. I love them. I love them, love them, love them. So hope y'all having an awesome morning. So that is what I am up doing so that I can have a fulfilling meal today. So with that being said, you have an awesome Saturday, and I appreciate you guys being here. And yeah, and I might bake the chicken in the air fryer, or I might do it in the oven, not for sure yet. But with that being said, you guys have an awesome day. Thanks for watching. Happy Saturday. Toodles. A lot of people be asking me, especially because I talk kind of funny, and where is my original root? So my mother was from Little Rock, Arkansas. So that's why I get a lot of that, you know, Little Rock, Arkansas. But I was actually born in Wisconsin, and then I was raised in Chicago Heights, Illinois. So when people be asking, you know, like, where you from? You country? And stuff. So it's like, yeah, my mom was from Little Rock. So my mother was a good cook. She loved to cook, and, you know, just, I guess, catering. Like, I enjoy more cooking for somebody else than I do myself. But now I have been very mindful about the pre-diabetes. So I watch a lot of the restaurant food and stuff that I eat, because my levels is going in the right direction now. So I don't put a lot of restaurant food anymore in my body. I've been preparing all of my own meals. So that's why y'all see me always air fry, air fry, air fry. Because I took a lot of the fried. I don't fry anything. I think y'all probably saw me on here frying some fish, because the fish in the air fry to me don't turn out like that. But other than that, that's even not so often. I don't do that. So I've been being real mindful about, excuse me, my diet, and my levels is going in the right direction. So I'm not in the pre-diabetes. I was 2 numbers from going into the pre-diabetes. So I've been reversing those numbers, being mindful, counting calories, and went to see a nutritionist, and you know, look, and they tell you all the things that turns into sugar in your body. So if you're curious about all the things that turn into sugar in your body, go on Google and ask Google, what is all the things that turn into sugar? And you'll be shocked. Ranch dressing, bread, potatoes, all that stuff turn into sugar. And we be like, I don't even eat a lot of sweets. And it's the other things that once they get in our system, it turns into sugar. So I hope that that helps you guys. But yeah, that's where I'm from. I know I'm country. I know I'm a little country girl. Okay. So thanks for watching. Y'all have an awesome Saturday. Toodles.